Hello, welcome to another of my video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make char-cloth. First, we will be requiring some cotton wool and a tiny little bit of aluminium foil. Put it in the right center and fold it just to in it. Simple as that. Now you just basically require to heat it in flame. Before you even do that, you may require to poke a tiny little hole at here. That's it. And now we're just required to heat it in fire for a little while. Make sure you hold it in a tongue. Here we go. This is totally now on fire. Then we wouldn't want any air to go in, since the wool itself still can combust. So we will just require to let it cool down. Sometimes we'll just wrap something around, like a wet paper towel, but you can leave it like this, and they will soon do the trick. After this is cooled down, you can simply peel open and reveal the char-cloth inside it, which you can use as a fire starter. And that's how you make char-cloth at home. Simple. And anyway, thanks for watching.